How to place a parlay bet on FanDuel, tutorial on combining multiple bets into a single wager. Placing a bet on the FanDuel Sportsbook involves multiple process which combines multiple individual wagers into a single bet, which increases the potential payout but also the risk. Now, to basically go ahead and then place a parlay bet, assuming you've already went ahead, created your account, and then you logged into your FanDuel Sportsbook app as well. This video is for those assuming who've done all of this process. Now, when you're here on the homepage of the FanDuel app, you have to simply navigate to the Sportsbook section of the platform, then go to your bets. So you can go to my bets from the bottom if you have them, or if not, then you can simply come over here and then you could go ahead and then go to multiple bets right here. Now you can see same game parlay bets and so on. So a parlay bet will be automatically created whenever you go ahead and then place multiple bets, because it will combine them automatically. For example, if I go ahead and then select my vouchers right over here, I'll select the reasoning as to which one I want to vote for, then you can see a parlay bet will be automatically created over there, and then you can also remove the selections if you wish to. And this is how you can place a bet on parlay bets. I hope the video helped you out. If you have got any further questions, feel free to leave them down below. Thanks for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon as always in the next video.